Hey guys, today I'm starting with my outline already sketched onto my paper. And if you're using canvas or whatever, that's fine. So the first thing I want to do is, with a large flat synthetic brush, I've watered down some blue with a little touch of black in it, and for the top part, and then for the bottom part, kind of a greenish black. So now with a small synthetic brush, I'm starting to put in my details. So right here I'm just using plain red. Now I'm starting on the body of this first chicken, and this is just raw sienna. And now I want to come in with a little bit of black on my brush and start putting in some texture and some shadow. And you can start filtering in other colors. You know, chickens have many different colors in them. So, like with the tail, I think I picked up a little bit of blue with it maybe. So just whatever colors you want in your chicken, just kind of start putting those in. But this gives it color and it gives it the feather texture. All right, now I'm going to do kind of the same thing to the other chickens. now for the bucket, I've mixed up a gray shade for most of the bucket, but my light is coming from the left side, so my shadows are going to be more toward the right. So over here on the right, it's going to be a darker gray, almost black. So I'm coming back with white over here, kind of putting in some highlights. Now I also picked up some raw sienna just to add some interest to the bucket so that it's not just plain gray. So before I move on, I just want to go back to each chicken and make sure that I have everything I want on it. So I've decided that I want to lighten it up some in places. Just put in some highlights. So this is just a mixture of white and raw sienna. All right, now for the shadows, the cast shadows underneath everything, I'm just using a very watered down grayish color. I think I put a little bit of blue in it even, just black with a little bit of blue, but very watered down. And I'm just scumbling that in, and the shadows need to go toward the right, because the light is coming from the left. And I want it to be fairly dark right up against everything, so a little less water there. I'm going back and detailing the faces a little more. And now what I want to do is, with watered down paint, with a fan brush, I'm just kind of splattering a couple of different colors on there. So a couple of different colors that are already in the painting, so that it kind of unifies everything, brings it all together. So there was one color, and here's another. And this just adds kind of some movement and life to the painting. And as you can see, I've taken the tape off the edges. And there it is, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you.